Alright, quick little video. Just want to show a few things that I got recently. Went and got the miter saw deal with the stand. Had Home Depot match Lowe's plus 10%. Got a decent deal on that. Been getting some levels. New circ saws, drywall guns, batteries, cutoff, grinder, impact, rocket light, 12.0. Just got this today. Today is Black Friday. This was not on a deal, but I was able to save a little bit of money on it and get a rebate. So it made it a lot nicer for me. Here's what the rack and pinion fence. The reason I went with this saw is because I can rip 32.5 inches. And I like it. It matches this one. And that's the double bevel. It was time for me to just upgrade my saws. These. I got a bunch of other stuff too. Batteries and blades and Sawzall blades and a bunch of other little stuff, chargers, and all the gift center stuff. You walk by and just grab a few little impulse buys. But I'm not sure about this stand. I like my rigid stand much better. I guess it's more like a gravity rise type deal that Bosch makes. The rigid, that is. You just grab the two handles, you push a foot clip, and boom, set it up. This one is it's just awkward. It sits a little bit low for me. I wish it was another inch or two, a couple inches higher, but what a big deal. If you guys want to know anything else about any of these saws or tools, whatever tools I got here, this is just all stuff that I've bought over the last few weeks. The rocket light I got a little longer ago than that. Now I have to make room in the trailer. If you guys want to know anything about any of this stuff, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll do a review in 6 months and see how these are working out for me. Hope everybody had a good turkey day. Talk to you soon.